What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, what's up, love? I'm Kay, and if you've been here before, thank you so much for stopping back by. Alright, so today I have got a cute little video for you guys. I've got a what's in my bag video, and I wanted to do this video just to show you guys things that I've been carrying around with me, some of my favorite things, and just bring you guys into what I'm basically very into right now. So if you guys are interested in just seeing a very chill what's in my bag video, then do keep on watching. So I've got quite a bit of things that I've got roaming around in my bag, and I've been carrying around in my bag since the beginning of quarantine really, and we've kind of had to adjust what we've been doing, what's been in our bags and all of that. And basically I've started carrying a bigger bag. So I have two bags that I mainly carry around with me. It is this bag, and this is the Cara by Teddy Blake, and I'll get into it a bit later, but it's that one. And I've got a black mini bag that I carry as well. This I got from Dear Lover, and both of them have these straps on them. That is one thing that I have noticed that quarantine has had me start doing: carry a bag with a strap, like a crossbody type of situation. And that's mainly because it's very convenient for you to just have your bag, like let's say you're pushing a trolley or something, and you just have it hanging right there because you don't want to put your bag in the trolley or anything like that. So a strap is something that I have found to be very essential ever since the whole quarantine thing started. I used to only carry my bag with the top handle. I love top handle bags. I love bags that just look like this because I love carrying my bag like that. I'm not a big shoulder bag person. I don't know. I'm not that type of girl. Even the shoulder bags that I do have, like the mini ones, the really trendy ones, I don't necessarily carry as much because they've got that shoulder thing. I don't know. Comment down below if you're a shoulder bag person, a crossbody, or if you like the top handle on your forearm. So yeah, I have a smaller bag and I've got a bigger bag. This one is considered a mini bag, but it is big in my opinion. This to me is a mini bag and something smaller. I've got bags much smaller than this, and yeah, I just enjoy the small compact bag. But I found that ever since I started carrying this, I want a bag like this in so many other colors. So this is the Teddy Blake Cara. It got discontinued, you guys. I'm so sad about the fact that this got discontinued, but I basically have been carrying this with everything. It is an orange bag, but I found that it goes with so many outfits. Like I also wear a lot of neutrals, so I don't think it's very hard for it to go with most of my outfits. But I really wanted to get this bag in a black. I wanted to get this bag in a white, in a nude, and in a very light blush pink. And I really would have, because I just think it's so nice. And because this is a middle ground bag. This isn't a very affordable bag, but it is also not a high-end expensive luxury brand. This is more of a middle ground. This bag retails for around 10,000 Rand, and most bags that are like high-end start at 20. So it is a middle ground between like a more affordable bag and something that's in the middle. So this can be comparable to your Michael Kors and bags like that. I know Michael Kors might be even less than this, but yeah, this does in rands retail for a bit more. So I really wanted this bag in other colors, but it got discontinued. So I'm looking and on the hunt for a bag that is kind of compact but big enough to store everything. So I've got my eyes on a few. Please watch the ads. Please watch the ads, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna go into what is in my bag and show you guys some of my quarantine favorites. So let's get into it. All right, so the first thing that I'm seeing, a mask. I have the blue surgical masks. I use these because these are so much friendlier on makeup. I don't know if you guys have tried these and then compared them to the fabric masks. These to me are just so much nicer to your makeup. They're not sticky, or they do stick, like of course, you know, like it's a mask, but it's not as bad, and it does kind of give you room as compared to like a fabric mask. That's what I found. So yeah, I've got these, and then the next thing I've got is some Vaseline. I keep this in my bag because of my boyfriend. He always asks me for tas, And when I say I've just got lip gloss, then he's like, no, I don't want that. Don't you have Vaseline? So I keep this in my bag just for him. And he also just recently got a tattoo, so sometimes it itches and he needs that. So I've got an extra one in my bag. And then I've got some sanitizer. This is the Dettol one. I got this at Dischem. I like the shape of it. It's small. I don't like those sanitizers that are like the big clunky ones that like now they've taken all the space up in your bag. I like this one by Dettol. And yeah, it's sanitizer, dog. Like I have to have this in my bag because the nail salon that I go to, they don't give sanitizer, and that girl's gonna be touching my hands, so I have sanitizer in my bag. The next thing I've got is a Real Techniques Miracle Sponge. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I love these are my favorite beauty sponges. So yeah, I keep one in my bag because obviously I wear masks, so when I take my mask off, I have to like fix what's going on, and also it's getting hotter, so if I've got any sweats or anything like that, I just dab with this. And I normally need that with a little compact mirror. I got this compact mirror from Sweethearts, and it's got a magnifying side and it's got like a normal side, and yeah, it's just really cute. I've had this since matric. I'd be so sad if it broke. Oh my gosh, like yo ngasha. And then I've got some hand cream. This is the Lontheric I Love Candy one, and yeah, I just keep this on me because this shit makes your hands so dry. I don't know if it's just a me thing, but sanitizer really does make your hands dry, right? It's not just me. But yeah, have this. This smells like candy. I know the Lontheric I Love Candy was one of my first perfumes. Yeah, so I really love the I Love Candy. Yeah, no. Now that I think about that, was a really trash perfume. It did not last, but it smelled like candy. I loved it so much. But yeah. And then, what the fuck is this? Oh, this is, oh, I lost my gym tag. You know the little thing that you use to open the gate thing at the gym? I lost it, so I had to buy another one. I don't know why this slip is still here, but yeah. I've got a hair tie in here. It's getting hotter and I'm still wearing wigs. I don't know if I'm gonna get braids this December. I really doubt it, honestly. So I do need a hair tie. This isn't the best hair tie. I should actually put this away and take this hair tie. These are the best. These hair ties are the best. So I'm gonna put this in my bag. This is like a really nice black hair tie, and I basically just use this to tie my hair up so that I don't like sweat at the back of my neck. That's the most irritating thing. That's the type of shit that makes me want to go home. Like if it gets so hot that now I'm like sweating at the back of my neck, I want to go home. Like what the fuck, it can't be that hot. And then I've got a fragrance. This is a new addition to my bag. I've got a fragrance in here. This is the Coach Floral. This has become my new everyday fragrance, and not that the top is missing, but you just close it, ganje. You just twist it and it's closed. This is a very sweet scent. I do want to do a fragrance collection, but I don't have that many yet. So when I get all my essentials, then I'll do a fragrance collection. But yeah, I do like these types of scents. They're very fruity, I like fruity, I like sweet, I like patchouli, I like sweet rose, I like musk, I like raspberry. So yeah, got the Coach Floral. This is very affordable. This is actually the 30ml, and I think I want the 50ml for my actual collection, and the 30ml can just stay in my bag. Then I've got lip gloss in here. I've got two lip glosses in here. I've got the Pucker Up lip gloss from Mr. Price, and then I've got the Smudge lip gloss. I got the Smudge because of my friend Siwe. She really likes the Smudge, so I got that, and it's pretty as fuck. I love it. And then I got the Pucker Up just because I wanted to try out the lip gloss at Scarlet Hill. This does not last a very long time. This is more of like a lip balm to me. If I'm looking for just like an easy, you know, let me just, then this, because it doesn't last that long. And then yeah, this is just cute for some color because it's pink. And then I've got these pills. These are actually iron pills. So if you're not aware, I am deficient in iron, but I just do not like medication, guys. I just don't like medication. I got these from my trainer. My trainer gave them to me like a month or so ago, and I have not been taking them. And I know I need them. I genuinely know that I need them, but I just have not been taking them. They're just not high on my to-do list. Like, And I have to figure out what to say to him, because he's definitely going to be like, okay dude, if you've been taking these every day, they should be finished now. Should we restock? I'm just gonna say yes, let's get more every time, and then not use them, because I just don't like I don't like medication, okay? And then I've got panty liners. I've got 2 of them here. I should actually put a pad in my bag. I don't have a pad in my bag. I've just got 2 panty liners, because when I start my period, I'm not someone who like violently starts it. It does like start a little bit, so a panty liner would be good for the first day. Then I sort myself out with the pad later. I don't use tampons. I don't like them. I don't know. Are you a tampon girl? Are you a pad girl? Let me know in the comments. But I'm definitely a pad girl. I just give myself that week to just be ugly. You know, I'm not trying to be a bad bitch that week. I just give myself that week to be ugly. So I'm just not trying to, no, tampons aren't for me. I've just decided. And then I've just got 2 hoop earrings, you know, if I want to switch up the look or whatever. And oh, I've got another lip gloss in here, and this is actually from Giari Cosmetics. If you guys aren't aware, this is a South African brand by a lovely little lady. This is also okay. It's not the most long lasting. I'm somebody who really likes sticky lip glosses. That's why I'm so in love with the Essence. But yeah, this is also kind of like the Mr. Price one, like very on the go, easy, but this has more shine. So yeah. And then I've got a brush, a hairbrush in my bag. As you can see, quite a few things fit in this little bag, okay? I've got a hairbrush. Stole this as well from my boyfriend. But this is perfect, like literally it's perfection, so I should keep it. It makes sense. And then I've got nail polish in here. So I obviously have acrylic nails, but I wanted this. This is actually the set that made me buy this. So there's a Planet Nails next door, my nail place. So they didn't have a nude. They actually had no nudes. They had run out. So I was like, I'm set. I want this style. I showed her the picture, and she was like, I'm sorry, we have the yellow, but we don't have the nude. I was like, let's go next door. I said, let's go next door. And this shit is fucking expensive. This shit is 100 rand. Dude, this shit is 100 rand. But I needed this nail style, because this was a refill, and I know that my next set is going to be something completely different. So I needed this. So yeah, this is the Planet Nails gel polish, but it is really good. It's gel polish. But if you guys are looking for gel polishes on the low, Essence actually now does gel polishes and sells them at Clicks. So you should check those out. Nail glue. No, nail glue. Actually, where's my nail glue? I actually keep nail glue in my bag, but oh, when I'm home, when I'm here, I take my nail glue out so me and my mom can share the nail glue. But yes, I always have nail glue, always, especially when I go out, because if anything happens, I can just, I've literally been mid-groove, feel my nail doing weird things, and just been like, sit down, girl. And literally I would sit down like, because I'm not playing that game of like having your nails snap and like hurting yourself. No. So anyway, I've got lash glue and a tweezer, because this with my mirror can really save the day. Lashes are also something that makes me want to go home. Like if my lashes aren't okay, girl, like let's go home, dude. Last couple of things, I've got my birth control. I've got my birth control in here. I've said in a previous video that I use No Date 28. Loved it. Have never tried another brand. This is my brand for life. So yeah, I've got birth control in there. And then I do this thing where I go on like little dates with myself all the time. I'm sure you guys see on my Instagram stories. So I like to go to like Mother Bean. I like seafood, so I like to go to like Ocean Basket and stuff like that. And obviously they give you sweets. So I've got a couple from Mother Bean. I've got some from Ocean Basket. So I've just got sweets in here. I used to be super big on sweets. Like I used to actually have the biggest sweet tooth. I still do, but not as hectic as I used to. So I'm kind of surprised that these are still in my bag, because the old me. And then I've got 2 rand, and I've got a couple more rings in here. So let me just get them out. So I really like this ring style, you know, these little bling ones. And this one I got from Lovisa. If you're looking for a more sturdy one, then go to Lovisa. But I got a couple of these from Sweethearts, and they're just like the flimsy type ones, but these are also really nice. Let me just put one on so you can see that they're super cute. But they just, that's ipana though, that's my only issue, but they are nice. So yeah, just have one. Yeah, this is the one that has 1, and then there's one that's got 2. So I've got 3 of those, just like in case like I'm out and I'm just like, you know, I need something else. So then I put some rings on. So yeah, it's just like those earrings. That's also the reason why I have the earrings. Then the last thing I have in my bag is cash, and I keep it in 20s because my ride to the gym, I told you guys that the gym is not far from me, and the minimum that you can pay in an Uber or whatever is 20 bucks. So yeah, I keep 20s. This should actually be in my gym bag. That would make way more sense than my actual bag. But yes, that is basically, is that everything? Yeah, that's basically everything that is in my bag, gents. Yeah, that is what I've got in my bag, and this bag is the one that's got little stands on it. So yeah. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed that cute little video. I hope it gave you some insight on some of my favorite things. Let me know what you also keep in your bag and what we have in common in our bags. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment also any video suggestions, stuff that you'd like to see from me. I'm always open to video suggestions and stuff like that. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, then let me know and I will see you in my next one.